Hi friends, welcome to another new video. Today in this video, I am going to show you to prepare a special solution that will make your plants to produce more big flowers on them and produce more vibrant colored flowers on your flowering plants. Okay, before we begin, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please make sure you subscribe to my channel by hitting that subscribe button and also by enabling the bell icon. So without wasting any time, let's start now. To prepare this special solution, the only requirement is a good and fresh aloe vera leaf. You should take a good, healthy, greeny aloe vera plant leaf just as like this. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut its sides, both the sides, and I'm going to take out the gel out from the aloe vera leaf. Mainly aloe vera plant is known for its medicinal uses, but it can be efficiently and effectively used in the garden as well. Meanwhile, I will explain you about the uses of aloe vera gel in your garden. Aloe vera gel is rich in amino acids such as glutamine, lysine and isoleucine, which are very important for your plant's growth. And it also contains enzymes such as amylase and cellulase. They also help your plants to grow fast. And they also contain some vitamins such as vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, along with vitamin B6 and B12. These vitamins helps to produce more vibrant color flowers on your plants. And it also contains some trace elements such as zinc, calcium and magnesium. Now our aloe vera gel is ready. You have to take the aloe vera gel into a separate container. Now you have to add about 1 liter of water into the taken aloe vera gel, and then you have to mix the aloe vera gel thoroughly into the water. To ensure the good and perfect mixing, you can use your hand as well. After the mixing, you need to filter out the solution to remove the excess of gel that is undissolved in the water. So please don't use any stored aloe vera gel. I prefer using fresh aloe vera gel taken from a fresh leaf. Okay, now our solution is ready. As you can see, the solution is little bit slimy. Now I will show you that how to perfectly use this solution on your plants. You have to take this solution into a sprayer and you can directly spray on your flowering plants. You have to use this during once in a month, and this will help all of your flowering plants to produce more big flowers and vibrant flowers on your plant. Okay friends, this is it for today. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more videos just as like this. If you have any doubts, please let me know in our comment section guys. Have a nice day.